The best of places are the Masajid. So as lockdown eases and we find our daily routine and schedules going back to normal, we might be going shopping, meeting our friends, going out, enjoying ourselves. But when it comes to the masjid, we might have a thought in our mind, it's not safe to go. It's not safe to go. Whereas the Masajid, with the rules and regulations in place, are probably from one of the most safest places we could find. So if our lives have returned to normal, don't use this as an excuse to abandon the Masajid. Don't use this as an excuse to abandon the Masajid. Of course, we know if we're not feeling well, or if we have a religious Islamic reason not to attend the masjid, we genuinely fear that we would catch the virus. The religion is easy for us. It's made things easy for us. Stay at home. But if you're returning back to normality, do not abandon the Masajid. A man came to the Prophet ﷺ, a blind man. And he said to the Prophet ﷺ, I don't have a guide to show me to the masjid. The man said, is there a rukhsa, is there a concession that I could take? حتى أصلي في البيت, so that I can pray at home. And the Prophet ﷺ said, هل تسمع النداء? Do you hear the call? Do you hear the call to prayer? قال نعم. The man said, yes. So the Prophet ﷺ said, أجب, answer that call to prayer. This was a man who couldn't see, a blind man. Salatul Jama'ah, congregational prayer, is something which is wajib, something which is obligatory, something which we must do.